birthday, Dexy!
Happy birthday, Dex! I love you. Happy birthday!
Welcome sa Filipino sa Africa.
Hello guys, welcome back sa aking channel. So ngayon, andito kami sa bahay ni na Ate Miles kasi mag-celebrate kami ng birthday ko, guys. May visitors, si Jobang, si Jose. Yan ang view overlooking the Katembe Bridge.
Kain na! Ay, mag-picture naman na tayo! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Are you 10?
No!
Are you 20? Are you 30? Wow! Wala kang isabi siya. Okay, next na picture na. Ay, saka. Ay, guys. You have already yung picture. Ay, perfect. Perfect ka din. Perfect. Hindi ka na. Hindi ka na.
What's that?
One, two, three. Ako makarap.
Okay lang. Ilagay na lang sa taas ng ano. Lugi sa'yo. Yung sukan dito. Asa yung suka?
Alright, sama.
Walang service time. Ha? Ito na sa Atas na chicken. Lagay mo sa taas yun. Labas mo na kaya. May rice pa. May rice na dito. Asa na ang pagbilan?
Marami pa.
Parang dito na yan. Kinakain mo si Rio. Ha? Si Rio boy? Kung makatakas. Walang jowa niya.
Saan? Sa Pinas ba? Ay, umuwi.
Ay, pala. Rice is life.
Ay, pumunta yun. Pumunta yun. Pumunta yun. Wala wala jowa. Ganun. Sa bahay na. Yung parang may siya yan. Na Pilipino? Diyan sa Janela.
Opo, kain na.
Ha? Yeah. Pwede ba itong ganito dito?
Pero kung may rin pa dyan isa,
Si Mami, bebe. Ano? Ano din? Ako na mga man sa amin. Ano siya? Nagpunta ang ano? Pa rin ha? Saan sa patuloy na? Pray-pray? Nag-pray-pray daw? Baka ito ba?
baka meron.
Ha? Gusto mo yan? Hindi ka naniwasa. Let's call mo.
Anyways, hi guys. Hi guys. Long time no see. This is Stella again, and I am here at Tita Mylene's place. And we are doing a party, a birthday party of Tita Dexter, the owner of this YouTube channel. Anyways, this is how the party is going. We are already grilling. I do not know what's that, but I think it's beef. No, it's pork. Alright.
Go to that.
Hi, Tito. Say hi. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Yay. Tita, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I love you.
something. Happy birthday, Dex! I love you. Hi! Happy birthday! Say happy birthday! Say something to Tito Dexter. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Now where is Tito Dexter? Here's the birthday boy. Woohoo! Okay, so this is how the party is going. Grilling. Here is the food. Wow! Wow! Yes! This is how it's going. Anyways, this is the birthday of Tito Dexter. This is how it's going. Interesting. Look at this view. I will never get over this view. Here's Tito Mike. Hi! Can you say happy birthday to Tito Dexter?
Happy birthday, Dexter.
Thank you. Tita Miley. Say happy birthday, say something.
Happy birthday, Betsy!
Anyway, it must be nice. I didn't even do anything for my birthday. But yes, this is it. I will see you again soon and I will vlog every part of this birthday. Let's make a special birthday video for Tito Dexter. Hi guys, I am eating right now. So I am just going to record some clips like how it's happening here. I have no idea what they're talking about, but I will send clips of it. So yeah, stay tuned. Just me. Here is the anniversary auntie. Oh my god. Picture time. Oh. Anniversary auntie Dave Star na photo também. Anyways, do you guys know what this is? These are amazing. I love this so much. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old? I'm singing for Tito Dexter. Char. Join them, Tito Dexter. We do not see that. Anyways. not know this. But that's how you vibe. This is my vibe. It reminds me of Mia Vida. Astro Brazela Mufase. Tita! Let's go! Sama ka? Kailan? Friday. Saan? Yan lang. Meron yan? Gabi! Wala akong dress. Ayaw mag-
Hindi mo kailangan dress. Kung ano yung trip mong suotin. 10. Basta, inom muna tayo sa bahay. Tama na. Basta!
Wala akong pera.
Pamagala. Basta sa YouTube na lang po. Pamagala sa bayan.
Makauwi, Silosa. Shout out po.
Yan ang pabebe ng salana. Wala akong jowa. Sino mag-apply? Wala akong jowa.
Nga magkulot, patulong kong bato.
Thank you guys for watching our latest vlog, and if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Until our next one, bye!